Hi, my name is Carissa Fox. Today I will teach you two-dimensional figures in symmetry. The intended audience is grade 4. Some helpful vocabulary that we will need to know is triangle, square, line of symmetry, and symmetry. A triangle is a two-dimensional flat shape with 3 sides. A square is a two-dimensional flat shape with 4 congruent sides and 4 right angles. Line of symmetry is a real or imaginary line that divides a shape into 2 mirror images. Symmetry is the property of shape that can be folded so that the 2 halves match exactly. In this lesson, we see that a triangle can have 3 lines of symmetry. Right here is the blue line of symmetry, and there is a left and a right, and when the left is folded over this line, it lands on the right, and they are equal. Then there is the black line of symmetry. Again, there's a left and a right, and when the left is folded over the right, it's equal and it's a mirror image. Then there's purple. Again, there's a left side and a right side, and when the left is folded over the right, it's the exact same shape and it is a mirror image. In this lesson, we have the lines of symmetry for a square. There are 4 lines of symmetry. I highlighted them red, blue, green, and yellow. For this line of symmetry, there's a left and a right, and the left can be folded over the right. For this line of symmetry, there is again a left and a right, and the left can be folded over the right and is a mirror image. For this line of symmetry, there's a top and a bottom, and the top can be folded over the bottom and again is a mirror image. For this one, there is a left and a right, and the left can be folded over the right and it will be the same shape as both of the halves. Thank you for watching.